Oh, smile for the camera. I want to make something really cool inside this goat enclosure. You guys are all hungry. I literally just fed you. New aquarium. It is called the Bubble Tunnel Kit. The fish will literally be able to swim up and over. I've got the tank. Hope I don't mess it up. Whoa, that is so cool. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I'm standing on our massive fish building slab. If you didn't watch last video, a quick little update. The concrete got poured. I'm standing on the concrete slab. It is massive. And the building, which is gonna be 9 foot tall, 12 foot at its peak. So 9 foot and then 12 foot will be up here. Will be done next weekend, which I am unbelievably excited for because of course the 5,500 gallon pond will go into there. Start getting that set up. All my turtle tanks, bringing all the tanks into here. So many amazing videos. We could then finally connect the fence from there to there, and of course bring our ducks home. There's just so much content that can get done once that building is up. Today's video is also sponsored by our friends over at API, so more on that later. Hi, little baby. Ah, guys, look how beautiful these goats are. I mean, they're just so like, King's got these beautiful blue eyes, ice-colored eyes with the brown. Emmy's just so beautifully patterned. Boots, of course, Boots. Hi, Boots. I want to make something really cool inside this goat enclosure, by the way. I want to build something epic back here. Kind of maybe connecting to that. Who knows what we'll do, but that's coming soon. Whenever I have some free time, I'm going to work on that. Of course, y'all know I want to also put a chicken coop over here and get some chickens to the farm. There's a lot of things, but I feel like this building's really like holding the entire process up. Hey, Taylor, you wanna give them an update on your horse? Hey, buddy. I feel like this is long overdue. Our boy Finn over here, the horse. Oh, smile for the camera. He smiled for the camera. Give us an update.
Perfect timing then.
Update with Taylor of her horse.
Finny will be really mad if I show up empty-handed.
Oh, how'd that tree taste?
I always put his fly mask on in the morning, and then when I get home, I take it off. Because the flies are very bad. Well, they're not. They're actually not that bad.
It's not as bad. Here is not as bad as I've seen some other barns.
We maintain, you know what I mean?
We have this supplement that goes in his food. It stirs in with his food in his stomach, and when it comes out the other end, flies can't actually lay eggs inside the poop, so it prevents them from breeding on the farm. It's really cool. All right, Taylor, quick update. What's your favorite thing about Finn?
I don't have, that's hard. I love everything about him. I could tell you my least favorite, actually.
What's your...
when he's in his stall, I've never seen an animal use bathroom more in my life. He makes a mess to clean up after because he just stirs it. Clearly we don't have cross ties yet, but we will eventually. Just waiting on that darn fish building. You guys aren't the only ones suffering.
We're all suffering from not having that building. It's been long enough. Think about how good an ice cold watered down bath feels after being in the hot sun all day long.
Every day.
Every single day.
Every day. If it's not too hot, I'll ride him and then wash him and take him for his graze.
Taylor, that horse is bigger than you.
The most important part of the routine is his grazing time.
Good job, Tay.
Hi, Bubba and Baloo, slumped right there.
That is that for your horse update. Those of you who wanted to know a little bit about what's going on with horse, Finn. Today's video is just about to get started. Before we do so, here's a word from today's video sponsor, and then we're hopping right into it. Today's video is sponsored by API. API has been in the industry for over 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. API offers a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products to help you create the most natural habitat for your underwater world. API has created innovative and research-driven solutions to take care of your aquariums and ponds. Y'all have seen me use API countless and countless times again. This is my 3,600 gallon, and we just recently had a big bacterial issue in this pond. API saved my rear end. Pond salt was a big help throughout the situation, helping with nitrates and nitrites, and just reducing the stress on the fish in general. You can't forget their Pond Master test kit. This right here comes in handy. The new Aqua Essential, you've seen me use many times as well. This is the new all-in-one concentrated pond water conditioner. Detoxifies ammonia, nitrate, nitrites, removes chlorine, chloramines, and heavy metals, and so much more. And when owning big ponds like this, you have to do a lot of water changes constantly. With all this being said, if you own an aquarium or a pond yourself and you don't own API, you're making a mistake. API's products can officially be purchased on Amazon. Just go down below, click that link, because they are running some awesome promos right now. Or you can just run over to your local pet store or aquatic store and find API there. They're in all the pet and aquatic stores nationwide. Again, API is available on Amazon right now. All you gotta do is go to the link down below, click that link, you name it, they've got it. Thank you so much, API, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, let's get on with it. New aquarium. A couple weeks back, I was at Andy's shop, just shopping for coral and stuff, always there. One of my little buddies, James, actually had these aquariums. I did end up filming on my broken iPhone. I got this thing, super cool aquarium.
Hey guys, if you remember me, I was on here like a year ago because my head injury. I'm fully healed now.
Heck yeah! He actually had gotten a bunch of these aquariums at like a wholesale cost from a aquarium store that was going out of business. Entrepreneur here brought them to Andy's shop to sell and make some profit. So I'm gonna take one and make a video on it. And I'll wait to put this footage into that video. It is called the Bubble Tunnel Kit. The fish will literally be able to swim up and over the aquarium. Let's open it up. So instructions. Get this thing out here. I guess I got a pink one. All right, aquarium goes like that. Almost like the waterfall here. You can make this little filter more pressure or less. We're probably gonna go, let's go right in the middle. That's where the pump will go. Looks good. Poke that right there. These little things that come with it, go like that. The tunnel is now full of water. I gotta look at the next step. This all makes sense. So I filled this, which I didn't have to fill it until the actual tank was filled with water, because what I'll do is actually flip this over the way it should be and then remove these silicone things right here, and it will remain filled with water once I do so. So we actually wanted to skate this thing prior to then flipping that tunnel over and removing the silicone. So first things first, we need to go to the store and get everything to scape this. A little bag of gravel or sand, whatever we may do, some live plants, and some other things to make it look nice. 3,600 gallon is so clear. I love it. Oh, look at the peacock bass.
Hey buddy, getting all big on us.
You guys are all hungry? I literally just fed you. So last time I made a video like this, we did a little turtle tub, and I told you at the end that I was gonna give it to someone. Shout out to Isabella Rivera out in California. She did win, and the comment that one was, hey, me and my 1-year-old son would love this tank. He loves everything aquatic and has loved helping his uncle set up turtle ponds and fish tanks. He's such a huge fan, Gary being one of his favorites. He's tried to yell yeet every time you feed the ducks. But shout out to Isabella, thank you so much. I hope you and your 1-year-old enjoy the little turtle tank. It is on the way right now, shipped it out yesterday. So we might even give this tank away at the end of this video. Here we go, let's go to the fish store. White ribbon's $10. This plant is 10 bucks. How tiny it is. Kind of cool though. I want to get this. I got another one, a couple more. This is nice. This is like nice and natural. Right here. No, definitely not. I'm kind of feeling something like this. Never done an aquarium with this gravel before, which kind of makes me want to do it. I'm always so like simple black or white. This is, I think, gonna be the move today. Got everything we need. I think we have like 4 live plants, 2 being semi-aquatic bamboos, and then 2 fully submergible plants. And then along with that, of course, our gravel, and that's everything we need. I got everything from the pet store. I have live plants and gravel right here. I got this color gravel to match right here. We got a pink bottom. We gotta rinse this out, and then we're gonna put a little bit up here, and then of course the rest at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's a really cool color. The rest is going down there at the bottom. Now, gravel's in, simple as this. We get the live plants, our 2 bamboos that are gonna be out of the water, like that. We have the 2 others that will be inside the tank, like that. Now, time lapse of me doing this. So now it wants me to fill the tank up so that I can put this into the tank, flip it, and then pull these off. I've got the tank filled with water. Oh yeah. Tunnel. Like, this is what it tells me to do, so just hope I don't mess it up. All right, and pop the silicone off. Whoa, that is so cool. I honestly love the fact that everything is colorful. It's like a little mini fish TV up here. It's time to plug this new tank in. I'm actually really excited. It's already plugged in. It's just time to click the switch is what I meant to say. Here we go, 3, 2, clicked. This should start filling up. Here we come. Oh yeah, that looks like it's got a lot of power. I mean, it definitely came out Better than the one on the box. That's for sure, although we don't have a fish in it because obviously it's not cycled. I do want to give one of you watching right now this aquarium. I do it every time I make these cool aquariums. This one's for you guys. All you gotta do is smash the like button and then comment down below a reason why you should have this tank. Hopefully you have an Instagram because it's the easiest way to reach out. YouTube doesn't have like a direct message thing. It's weird that they don't. I haven't picked up on that yet. So shoot me a DM on Instagram too. It's a lot easier for me to find you. That is one of the coolest aquariums I think we've ever made, and I would love to see a fish up here. There's what it would look like if a betta fish was up in it. This thing is very, very small, so I don't even know what fish I really would put in this because there's literally only that much water. You could definitely fill this up to here, and then of course just what's up here as well. Oh my goodness, there's a whole pot of them right there. There's so many goldfish in this pond. We stocked it with over 600 of them. I got the fountain running too, by the way. I had to literally go swimming yesterday. I got the fountain working again. It was clogged with some grass, which I figured absolutely soaked from that. At least it wasn't full of duck poop yet. No more malfunctioned water fountain. Real talk though, I have so many ideas for this building. I have hundreds of videos upon hundreds. I'm gonna try to be posting every other day. So make sure to subscribe. The second this building goes up, turtle ponds, a saltwater pond hopefully, the big 5,500 gallon where all my fish are going, fish tanks, more axolotl stuff going down. Do I spoil anything else? I can keep going if you— No, God, please, no, no! No, I won't say anything. Just subscribe down below. This building goes up in literally like a week or so. Farm is coming along. See you in the next one. Peace! Look, it's a baby giraffe. Hi.